burning behind the eyes, salt the teeth, splinters in the knuckles. This is what the volume knob is for. Spit rattles through walls, dice the vocal cords, iron in the throat. This is what the volume knob is for. His fingers wrap around dreams, crush sleep to paste, sweat in the mattress. This is what the volume knob is for. 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 Turn it till it breaks off. Crank that shit. Open it like a sink. Let it rinse out all the smoke, the vomit, the stinging. Shower down, rinse out, clean up, stand up when you need help. Up. Turn it up. This is what the volume knob is for. When you are drowning on air, sinking into silence, when the room is thick with empty, and you are choking on your own skin, these speakers are floodgates blown out, blown open, your ears a life raft, your heart a flare gun. This is what the volume knob is for. This is what the volume knob is for. This is what the volume knob is for. It all feels better swimming in this noise. It all feels better swimming in this noise. You stop sinking and you float in this noise, in this noise, in this music, in this music. This is what the volume knob is for. Thanks, y'all. Okay, welcome to the little bit of poetry, a little bit of punk rock, and a whole lot of neck vein portion of the